National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Texas County, north central Sherman County, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near TEXHOMA, or about 18 miles northeast of Stratford, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include TEXHOMA. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Sherman County, Texas.